What happened? Why are you sitting here? Listen, what happened?
I got fired.
What? What happened?
I've given 5 years of my life to this company and this is what they do with me. Just throw me out like this.
It's okay, we'll manage something.
No, it's not okay. You won't understand. Please just leave me alone.
What are you having?
Nothing.
Listen, what are you having?
I'm having antidepressant pills.
What? I mean, why?
Because I'm going mad thinking about everything. My career is just over.
It's okay. Just accept it and move on.
Listen, I don't need your preaching, okay? I'll handle it myself. Yeah, thank you for showing me your true side. Yeah, thank you.
What happened? Why are you shouting?
I asked Jia for some help regarding work in her company and she says she doesn't have time for me. And I don't know what to do.
But why are you judging her so much? She might be actually busy.
I would have never done this to her. Everyone is just so fake around me. I'm just fed up of everyone.
Listen, it's not... Listen. This is a story of a working lady who got fired from her work and she got all negative. Let's see what happens in the flip side of the story.
Wow, my car insurance is due. What a timing.
So what's the problem? I'll pay it off.
I don't know why God is doing this to me. I mean, people who know how to cheat are making money.
Okay, enough. Listen, I want to tell you something.
What?
So just calm down and listen to this story. This is a story of a bear who used to live in a beautiful jungle. He used to eat a lot of insects, fruits, vegetables, and he was very happy with his life. Now one day it rained heavily in the jungle. The entire jungle was flooded. There was no food, no vegetables. Then he decided he'll learn how to swim, and soon he started fishing for his food. Again, he was very happy with his life. He was enjoying, and suddenly water started drying up. The entire jungle got hit by famine. There was no water, no vegetation. So he learned how to climb tree to eat honey. So in short, life kept on giving new difficulties to the bear, but the bear kept on learning new ways to come out and survive. Instead of blaming others, getting depressed and cribbing. So do you understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes. Thank you.
Losing your job is one of the toughest phases for anybody's life. Even though there are thousands of solutions available online to make money, but I will give you one big solution which all of us can apply. Yes, making videos. Whether it's cookery, dancing, singing, painting, whatever, giving speech, motivational videos, there is an audience for almost everything. It will be tough, but it will be definitely better than wasting your time on negative thoughts. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you're facing any problem and want to connect with me, then do join my new group called Nijo Plus. We are trying to build a community which can help each other with positivity. If you want to remain anonymous, then you can directly message it to me on my page and I'll share it without disclosing your identity. The link is there in the comment segment. Take care.